All right, guys, we're doing the 29th hired request on the 2018 list, almost halfway through the list. This is the soundtrack to the Magnificent Seven. Very fun. I have a piano and keyboard layer. Let's take a listen to this. Well, hello everyone, I'm Shawn of webpianoteacher.com, and welcome to my easy piano lessons. If you need some training on getting used to my method, or you're a beginner, or you just need a refresher, when you go to my website, webpianoteacher.com, scroll down the main library list alphabetically to the letter L for lesson, and you'll find 79 lessons there that will get you started from ground zero. Some of you might want to start in the middle of it, depending on where you are. And I'll just give you a little help before you try to tackle something that's difficult. And then some of you just jump right in. So here we go. We are in the key of E flat, and I do, like I said, have a layer of piano and strings on this old Casio keyboard that I love. And we're going to do 8 times on that E flat. You could do a single note if you want. I was doing an octave to make it a little fuller, but either way works. I'm going to do the octave just for me. So 8 times in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So, and then we're going to do it, that's why the 8 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 6 more times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But on the 7th time, I'm going to play an E flat on the right hand. And then 1 more E flat. These left hand E flats are the same speed throughout. So you might just want to practice. Just have a loose wrist so you can do it. That's the key to playing repeated octaves or repeated chords or anything, is to have a really flexible, loose wrist. It's kind of flapping, you know. I have some ducks out in the barn and they flap their wings. Just think of that. So you hit the E flat on the right hand, and definitely do not pedal this. You'll ruin it if you pedal it. You're doing an orchestral transcription. When piano is handling something like that, which it does very well, you want to use very minimal scarce pedal, if at all, because the orchestra doesn't have pedal, right? So the E flats continue on the left hand as usual. The right hand E flat, this one is high. E flat, C, A flat, bum, bum, bum. So la da da da. I'll go 4, 2, 1 on that. Bum, 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 bum. Now, F, D, B flat, notice that that's a B flat chord. Done any of my chord lessons, you'll recognize that. Notice that it's a chord. You don't hold all the notes down, but just having your hand in that position will help you. It'll feel familiar to you. And then next measure, G, high G, and then E flat C, 5, 3, 1. See, this is a chord here. It's an A flat chord, B flat chord, C chord. That's why my theory lessons are so important, is that it really helps you realize that you're doing a chord pattern. Instead of thinking of all these notes up here individually, you just think of the chord pattern. So back to the B flat chord at the end, and then E flat, C, A flat, E flat, C, A flat, bum, bum, bum. Slowly, let's go slowly, starting right here, and go. Up. You've got to keep it light, okay, not heavy. Keep it light, okay? Again from the beginning. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, guys, there's your part 1. And we finish it on webpianoteacher.com. Do the whole arrangement for a piano. It's a lot of fun. It's not a an expert advanced lesson, probably middle of the road kind of intermediate type lesson. So those of you that are very beginners, this would probably be too hard for you. If you're an intermediate student, it might be a little bit of a challenge, but I think you could probably do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that part 1. We'll talk to you later.